In this video, I'll show you how to highlight the active row in Excel, and also how to highlight both the active row and column. I'll show you two methods, one for newer versions of Excel and one for older versions. If you use Microsoft Excel 365, Excel finally has a built-in feature for this. Go to the View tab, and here you'll see Focus Cell. Click it once, and that's it. Your active row and column are highlighted instantly, which makes reading large tables much easier. You can also change the highlight color. Click Focus Cell Color and choose any color you like. If you want to turn it off, just click the Focus Cell button again. Now, let's look at the second method for older Excel versions using conditional formatting. First, select your data range. Press Ctrl+A to select your table or select the entire sheet, otherwise it won't work. Go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then enter this formula, equals row open parenthesis, close parenthesis, equals cell open parenthesis, quote, row quote, close parenthesis. This formula checks the current row number and compares it to the row of your active cell. Then click Format. Here you can make the text bold or italic if you want. You can also add borders for the highlighted row. In the Fill tab, choose your highlight color. Click OK. Now you'll notice it only highlights one row and it doesn't update when you click other cells. If you press Fn plus F2 or F9, it refreshes. But let's make it update automatically with VBA. Right-click on Sheet 1 and select View Code. Choose Worksheet. Between these lines and before End Sub, add this line of code, Target.Calculate. Close the window. Excel saves this code automatically. Now the highlighted row updates correctly when you click different cells. If you want to remove this feature later, go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. Select your rule and click Delete Rule. You can also delete the VBA code if you don't need it anymore. Next, let's highlight both the active row and column at the same time. Select your table again. Go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Choose the formula option again and enter this formula. Use a comma here, or a semicolon depending on your regional settings. I'll also add both formulas in the video description below. Then choose a color. I'll use blue. Click OK. Because I already added the VBA code, everything updates automatically. One more important thing. For many people, this stops working after closing and reopening the workbook. Let me show you why. When I close the file, Excel shows this message. The following features cannot be saved in macro-free workbooks, VB project. This means your file is being saved as a regular Excel file format that does not support VBA code. Excel removes the code. When you open the file again, the highlighting stops working. To fix this, add the VBA code again. Then go to File, Save As, More Options, and instead of choosing a regular Excel workbook, choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook.xlsm. Now close and open the file again. Excel will show a security warning asking if you want to enable the code. Click Enable Content, and now everything works correctly. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.